Hi guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. I have got two new collections and we are doing our $12 foil kits. So the deluxe kits, which are 4 pages, will be 12, mini and B6 are 9, and then there are also discounts if you add a deco or if you just want to pick up deco or layering sheets, I can't talk, separately. These are for shirt orders. So I want to try to get through this quickly because I've been having issues with my internet all night, so I'm gonna assume this video is going to take forever to upload. So we have got the deco sheet first for Glam Winter. I wanted to do a couple of these larger boxes. I thought those were so pretty. So we've got 3 of those and then some smaller deco. Next, this is the full box sheet for Glam Winter, and when I tell you that I am obsessed. So you've got some foiling within the florals, and then you've got your quote that says "Let it snow." You've got some string light foiling, and I am just in love with this one. Cannot wait to use it, and I love how dark it is, which you guys are about to see. So we've got greens. There's a really dark, it's almost black. It's more, pulls a little bit more navy, and then some grays. I did the snowflake foiling in these. I thought that was so pretty. Next, you have got your headers, checklist, icons, and washi sheet. And for this particular kit, I did not print all of them. So I believe I've only got the deluxe kit here. This is your bottom washi and date cover sheet. You've also got your bow washi, your checklist, and then your daily trackers up top. Did these string lights in the foil on this, and I love how that turned out. So I only printed deluxe for that one. I've got everything else in this collection, which is called Mary. So I did a poll between gold and silver on this kit, and it was so close that we're actually gonna offer both. So in the kit listings, there's a drop down where you can select the foil color that you want. And then also, I don't believe I printed one, maybe I did. There is an extra full box that comes with this kit. Okay, I did not print it. Excuse my toaster. So this is your extra full box. It's just a deeper skin tone. So that will come with all of the kits. Here is your deco sheet. I love this one so much. I think it is so cute. And then here are your full boxes. So this box here has the lighter skin tone, and then you'll also get the box with the deeper skin tone. Look at this little foiling with the ornaments. I love that. You've got your snowflakes, merry and bright, and then there's a little bit of foiling within what is that? Holly right there. So that is your full box sheet. This is the B6 sheet that should not be there yet. Second sheet, you've got that same snowflake foiling for this kit. Next, you've got your headers, your icons, checklist, and washi. And then look at this bottom washi. Oh, I love it so much. So you've got ornaments, candy canes. I thought that was just so cute. And it's one of the $2, well, it was one of the $2 Tuesday items for the past week. I wanted to make it into a bottom washi though as soon as I saw it because I love that so much. You've got your date covers, your trackers, and then your bow washi as well. So for this kit, what I just showed is deluxe. Mini is these 3 sheets right here. So you'll have your full boxes, and then your bottom washi. And then B6 is your full boxes, the second sheet of boxes. And then this is your B6 sheet. So you've got your washi here, date covers, trackers, headers, and then some cut washi. This is cut on both pieces right there. So if you wanted to make it longer, you can, or if you want to keep it short, the more standard B6 size, you can do that as well. And then we've got your layering sheet. I just have 2 of them right here. So these are available a la carte. There is also one for Glam Winter. But for these, same thing, you've got the snowflakes, you've got a ton of layering boxes, some scalloped banners, and yeah, so that is it. I hope you guys love this week's new releases. They will only be available through Sunday night, probably Monday morning, and they will be at that special price through Sunday evening. If you did not know, we are doing new releases only on the weekend that they're released, and then they're going to not be available again unless we do a larger sale, at which point they will then come back. But yeah, I hope you guys love them. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.